Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Sound Mind Adventures. I'm Jess, and today I am riding to the world famous Flume Trail that overlooks the lake. So I'm really looking forward to that. But first I have to deal with this big climb. It's not nearly as bad as I thought it was, but yet there's still another mile or so to go before I reach the top. I will be at, I believe, just over 8,000 feet when I get to the top. So yeah, the lungs will be feeling it for sure. So I'm trying to conserve my energy as much as possible and enjoy the view. All right, I'll check in with you when I get closer to the top. Well, I made it to the top, and that last mile was no joke. But now I get to enjoy a beautiful view, and the whole reason that climb was worth it. So this is Marlette Lake and the beginning of the Flume Trail. So I'm at the start of the world famous Flume Trail. I'm super stoked about this. This has been a bucket list ride for me for, gosh, probably about 20 years. So join me for some beautiful views. Beautiful Lake Tahoe. Woo-wee! Look at that! The trail's not that crowded either, so that's kind of nice.
Yeah, you hit it at a good time.
Yeah.
You get busier the more the day goes on.
Oh, okay.
For sure.
Okay.
Yeah, you're all good.
All right.
Well, have a good rest of your day. Rest safe.
Thank you.